Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Today also we are going to continue chapter 13, multiplication part 3. Now in today's video, what you are going to do? You are going to learn how to multiply a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Now see the first question, okay? First question is 125 multiplied by 52, okay? Now how you're going to do? You're going to start from the units place. First you will multiply 2 with 5, then 2 with 2 and then 2 with 1, okay? Now we will start. 2 5s are 10. So 0 will come in units place, and where 1 will go? 1 will go carry over in tens place. Now we will multiply 2 with 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is how much? 5. Now next we will multiply 2 with 1, and 1 is in hundreds place. Okay, 2 1s are, what will come? 2. Now when you multiply for the second time, children, you should remember what we have to put. We have to put 1 0 first, yes, and then we are going to multiply. Now we will multiply 5 with 5, then 5 with 2, and then 5 with 1. That is the numbers in the units, tens and hundreds place. Okay, so we are going to start. 5 5 is how much? 25. So 5 will come down and you have to write 2. You have to cut 1 and then write 2 carry over there. Okay. Now you have to multiply 5 with 2. 5 2s are 10, right? And 10 plus 2 is 12. So 2 will come down and 1 will go in hundreds place. Okay. Now we will multiply 5 with 1. 5 ones are 5. And 5 plus 1, 6. Don't forget to add carry over. Okay, children, otherwise your sum will be wrong. Now you will put the sign of plus. Draw one line. And now you are going to add. You are going to start from units place. Okay, 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. So 0 will come down. 1 will go carry over there. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. And then you have to write down 6. Because there is no number. So 6 will come down. What is your answer, children? 6,500. Okay. Now we will do second sum. Now second sum, see the numbers. 234 multiplied by 65. So we are going to start from units place. 5 multiplied by 4, 5 multiplied by 3, and then 5 multiplied by 2. And then we are going to multiply 6 with 4, 3 and 2. So let us start. 5 4s is how much? 20. So what will come? 0 will come down and 2 will go in tens place. Okay. Now 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. So 7 will come down. 1 will go in hundreds place. Okay, carry over. Now what you are going to do? Now you are going to multiply 5 with 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So 1 will come down and the other one will also come down only. Because there is no number after 100. Okay. So both the numbers will come down. Now we have to multiply second number. Okay, before multiplying second number, remember what we have to put. You have to put 1 0 in units place. Okay, and then only you are going to start multiplication. So now you will multiply 6 4s. So you have to say table of 6. 6 4s is how much, children? 24. So 4 will come down and 2 will go in tens place. So the previous carry over you will cut and you will write 2 again. Now you are going to multiply 6 with 3. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. So 0 you will write down and 2 will go in hundreds place. Cut 1, write 2 there, carry over. Okay. Now you are going to multiply 6 2s are. So 6 2s is how much? 12. Okay, 12 plus 2, 14. So you will write both the numbers down. 4 and 1 in 10,000s place. Now you will draw one line, put the sign of plus, and you have to add the numbers. Okay, children? Now let us start adding the numbers from units place. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 4, 11. So 1 will come down, 1 will go carry over. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 4 plus 1, 5. And then 1 you will bring down. So what is your answer, children? 15,210 is your answer. Okay, children? Now we will do third sum. 598 multiplied by 51. Okay. So again we are going to multiply 1 with 8, then 1 with 9, then 1 with 5. And then same way second number 5 with 8, 5 with 9 and 5 with 5. Okay, children. So let us start. So 1 8s are 8. 1 8s are 8. 1 9s are 9. 1 5s are 5. Now when we are going to start second number, what we have to do? You have to put 1 0. And now you are going to multiply 5 with 8. Okay. So you have to say which table? 5 table. 5 8s is how much? 40. So 0 will come down. 4 will go in tens place. Carry over. Okay. Now you will again say table of 5. 5 9s is how much? 45. And 45 plus 4 is how much? Count. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So what you will do? 9 will come down and 4 will go in hundreds place. Okay. Now you have to multiply 5 with 5. So you have to say table of 5. 5 5 is how much? 25. 25 plus 4, 26, 27, 28, 29. So both the numbers you are going to write down. 29. Okay. Now what you will do? Draw one line. Put the sign of plus. And then you have to add the numbers. Okay. Now the 8 plus 0, 8. 9 plus 0, 9. 5 plus 9 is how much? 14. So 4 will come down. 1 will go up. Okay. 9 plus 1, 10. So 0 will come down and 1 will go. Yes, in 10,000s place. Now you will add 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. So what is your answer, children? 30,498 is your answer. Okay. Now we will do next sum. Now see the question. What is the question, children? 375 multiplied by 40. Here also again same way. How you are going to do? First you will multiply 0 with 5, 0 with 7 and 0 with 3. Then second time you will multiply which number? 4 with 5, 4 with 7 and 4 with 3. Okay. So let us start the sum. 0 5s are any number multiplied by 0. What is the answer? 0. Now 0 7s are 0. 0 3s are 0. Yes, very good. Now second time what you have to do? You have to put 1 0 and then only you will start. Now you will multiply 4 5s. So you have to say table of 4. 4 5s is how much? 20. So 0 will come down and 2 will go in tens place. Now 4 7s. You have to say table of 7s is how much? 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. Right? So 0 will come down, and 3 will go in hundreds place. Okay, now you will multiply 4 threes are. So you have to say table of 4. 4 threes is how much? 12. And 12 plus 3 is how much? 15. So you will write 5 and 1. Sorry, 1 and 5. 15. Okay. Now you will draw one line. Put the sign of plus. And now you will add the numbers. Okay. So 0 plus 0 is how much? 0. 0 plus 0? 0. Again 0 plus 0? 0. Now up in thousands place there is no number, only 5. So you will bring that 5 down in 10,000 place. Again there is no number, so you will again bring 1 down. Okay. So what is your answer? 15,000. Right? Now we will do next sum. See the question. 650 multiplied by 28. Now we will start from units place. That is 8 multiplied by 0. 8 zeros are how much? Any number multiplied by 0, what is the answer? 0. Now we will multiply 8 with 5. Okay. 8 5s are 40. So 0 will come down. 4 will go in hundreds place. Now you will multiply 8 with 6. So you have to say table of 8. 8 6 is how much? 48. 48 plus 4? 49, 50, 51, 52. So both the numbers you have to write down. That is 52. Now you will multiply second number. So before multiplying you will put 1, 0. Now you have to multiply 2. 2 zeros are 0. 2 fives are 10. So 0 will come down and 1 will go in hundreds place. Cut 4, write 1. Now 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So both the numbers will come down. Okay. You will draw one line. Put the sign of plus. And then now you are going to add. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 0, 2. 5 plus 3, 8. And you will bring 1 down. So what is your answer, children? 18,200 is your answer. Okay, children? So with this we have learned how to multiply 3-digit number by a 1-digit number, 2-digit number by a 2-digit number, then 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Children, you have to practice this type of sums. Okay? Thank you.